are you? You okay? Okay, oh, I am okay. I hope you are okay. Today we have a new English math lesson together because this week we cannot go to the school once again. So I want you to pay attention to watch this video many times and to learn together. Okay, that way when we meet again at the school, okay, we didn't lost any time. So as always, today we have new vocabulary, we have activities and examples from the book, and then we're gonna write in our notebook. And after that, I'll give you some homework to do. So how do you feel? Are you ready? Ready? Yes or no? Are you ready? Yes? Okay, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about vocabulary, okay? Today I have for you three new words. Three new words I want you to memorize, to remember, okay? They are very important and useful words, and I hope you can speak these words and then practice when we learn the lesson in the book, and then when we meet at the school, you can talk to me speaking that words, okay? Okay. So these three words that we have for today are, the first word is same. Can you repeat with me, please? Same. Same. Very good. Same. Same. What is the same? The same is when we have something that is equal, okay, or even similar. Sometimes we use for similar, okay, of something. For example, if we talk about numbers, okay, if we talk about numbers, we can say that, for example, my left hand has the same number of fingers than my right hand. The same. Why? Because in this hand I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers, okay? And in my right hand I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also, okay? So 5 fingers in my right hand, 5 fingers in my left hand. So I have the same number of fingers, okay? Are the same, okay? So we can say the same, okay? Or for example, let's talk about same color. For example, same color. Here we have 2 pens, okay? Is it the same color? Yes or no? Same or not same? Look at this. This is red color and this is black color. So they are not the same, okay? But look at this. For example, look at these 2 pens. Oh, this is broken, but let's talk about the color, okay? The color. Is the same color? Yes or no? Same color, okay? Same color because both are the same color, blue color. Same or not the same? What do you think? Not the same. Same or not the same? Not the same. Same or not the same? Not the same. And same or not the same? Same, right? Same color. Okay. This is the meaning of the first word, same. Second word of today. The second word for today is switch. Switch. Can you repeat with me, please? Switch. Switch. Perfect. You can do this action for remember the meaning. Okay. Switch. Switch. Why I do this action? Because switch is when we have something arranged in a specific position and we change the order of that position. Okay. We switch, we change the order of the position of something. Okay. For example, I have a black pen in my right hand. Okay. And I have a red pen in my left hand. If somebody tell me, can you switch the pens? Switch the pens. So I will take the black pen with my left hand and the red pen with my right hand. So I have switched the pens. Okay. Before was like this. Now it's like this. Switch. Okay. This is horizontal, but we can switch also in vertical, like this. Tuk, 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 tuk. Okay, for example, if somebody tells me, can you switch the ring in your hands? Switch. So I can take off this ring and put it in this hand. So I switch. Okay, switch, because now it's in a different position, a different hand. And then, boop, back to normal, switch again. Okay, this is to switch. Okay, this is the second word. We got the first word, same. The second word, switch. Okay. The third concept, or the third word for today. There are two words together, okay, but in the same, we count as one word because it's a concept. Okay. Repeat with me, please. Number sentence. Number sentence. Number sentence. Okay, number sentence. Number sentence is when we express a mathematical operation writing the numbers and the symbols to understand what operation is requiring from us. For example, if I say, let's talk about pencils. Okay, pencils. You say, I have one pencil, color pencil, orange color pencil in my left hand. And I have two more color pencils in my right hand. If I put them all together, how many pencils do I have? Okay. What is the number sentence to this word problem? So it's an addition because we are putting the pencils together. So we need to use plus symbol, okay? And which numbers do we have? We have number 1 because I have one pencil in this hand, and number 2 because I have two pencils in this hand. So the number sentence would be 1 plus 2. Okay, 1 plus 2. In the number sentence, we still don't know the answer, the sum. Okay, we just know the agent and the addend and the symbol in the middle. Okay, as many symbols we need to write, as many numbers we need to write. This is a number sentence. Okay, so let's review one more time the words that we have learned today. Number 1, same. Number 2, switch. Number 3, number sentence. Can you speak to me, please? Now I want you to speak, okay? Number 1. Number 2. And number 3. Okay, perfect. Thank you for your attention and for your speaking. Now let's go to our workbook and let's learn a new lesson together, okay, about these concepts we have learned in vocabulary. Okay, so we are gonna open our book in the page number 61. Okay, last time we did page number 60 as a homework. So this time we are gonna start doing page number 61. Okay, here we have a new concept that is adding 0. Adding 0. To add something is to make us addition. Okay, subtraction is subtracting and addition is adding. Okay, and it's talking about adding 0. What is 0? 0 เลขอะไรครับ 0 0. Okay, 0. Yeah. So what happened when we add a 0 to another number? So we have here 2 examples. Let's read together, please. You remember I read and you follow me. I read and you follow me. Okay, let's read here in the orange box. Okay, here we have plates and fishes. Okay, 1 fish. So let's read the example. There is a fried fish on the first plate. Here it is, 1 fish in the plate, fried fish. Next sentence, let's read. There is no fried fish on the second plate. This is the second plate, and as you can see here, there is no fish. Here there is 1 fish. Here there is no fish. Okay, perfect. So look at this number sentence, the word that we have learned. Number sentence. What is the number sentence? 1, because there's 1 fish here, plus, because it's an addition, 0. 1 plus 0. What is the answer? Here say, count the fried fish on the 2 plates. How many fishes, fried fishes in both plates? Just 1, right? Because there is 1 fried fish on the 2 plates. 1 plus 0 equals 1. Okay. What does it mean? It means that every time that we add 0 to other different number, the sum is always gonna be the same number that we are adding apart from 0. For example, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 0, 2. 3 plus 0, 3. For example, 10 plus 0, 10. 100 plus 0, 100. Okay, it never changes. Every time we add any number to 0, the answer is the first number. Okay, the sum. Perfect. Let's continue with exercises. We don't need to talk about this example because it's the same, but we just change the order, switch the order. Okay, it doesn't matter where do you write the 0, the answer is still the same. Okay, here you have one example. We have to find the sum. Do you remember what is the sum? The answer of the addition. Okay, In the first box, there are 3 glasses. 1, 2, 3 glasses. Okay. So 3 glasses plus 0 glasses, because in the second box, there's no any glass. So 3 plus 0 equals 3. And here, number 2, the same. 0 glasses plus 1 glass, 0 plus 1 equals 1. Okay. Now there are more exercises in this page, so you can do it by yourself. Okay. Number 3 to number 8 is going to be homework for you. Now let's talk about the second word we have learned today, that is switch. We go to the next page, page number 62. 62, okay. It's talking about switching the order of numbers in addition. Okay, switch. Remember, switch. Okay, here we have 2 figures. Figure number 1 and figure number 2. In the figure number 1, we have 3 spoons. This is a spoon, okay? 1 spoon, 2 spoons, 3 spoons. And then we have forks. How many forks? 1 fork, 2 fork. If you look at this figure, it's exactly the same, but they have switched the order of the spoons and the forks. Before, here were the spoons and here were the forks, but they switch the order. But they still 3 spoons and 2 forks. Okay. They switch the order, but even if they switch the order, okay, 3 spoons plus 2 forks equals 5. Okay, all together. And 2 forks plus 3 spoons, the result is the same, doesn't change, is 5. Okay, so yeah, when we switch the ogend and the adden, you remember last week we learned about ogend and adden. Okay, when we switch, it doesn't change. Okay, the sum remains the same. So we can say that 3 plus 2 is equal than 2 plus 3. Can you speak with me, please? Let's read this number sentence. 3 plus 2 equals 2 plus 3. Okay, thank you. Good job. Okay, there are 2 more examples. Okay, we have rose flowers and white flower. What is this flower? Okay, this is white flowers and pink flowers. 5 pink flowers plus 1 white flower equals 6. And if we switch the order, you see the answer is still the same. 1 white flower plus 5 pink flowers. We got 6 flowers in total. Okay. Perfect. Now let's read the speaking pencil. Can you speak with me, please? Can you read with me? Okay, read after me. I read and you follow me. I read and you follow me. Let's read, please. When we add 2 numbers, even if we change the order of the numbers, the sum remains the same. Okay, here we have the 2 words, 2 of the words that we have learned today. The same, you remember the same. Okay, the same. Okay, So I think it is clear. So now you can do page number 63 as a homework too. Okay. Here you have one example of how to do these activities. Okay. Here we have two boxes of, what is it? It's a boat, right? We have two boats and three boats. So we can write 2 plus 3. And the second picture is switched the order, okay? 3 boats plus 2 boats. So we can say that 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2, okay? This is gonna be homework for you, okay? Page number 63. Also page 64 and 65, okay? In the page 65, let me show you how to do it, okay? I will show you one example in this page 65. Okay, here in the page 65 say, write the number to satisfy the equality. Okay, look at this little boy. He's talking that there is one number missed. Okay, so we can guess, we can feel the number that is lost. 2 plus 5 equals 10, right? Now, what number should we add to 5 to get 10? So the number that is here, you see this number is lost. So we can feel here even if we switch the order. So in the number 1, you can see here 1 plus 7, we have number 1 and number 7 in addition. So here we have number 7. So we feel the number 1. Okay, number 1 is it is here. Okay, now you understand how to do it. Let's go to the notebook. Okay, do you have your notebook? Let's take notes. Okay, take notes. This is my notebook. Okay. Teacher Sam's notebook. Now I want you to write with me, please. Today for me is Saturday, okay. 31st, okay, of July, the last day of July of 2021. Okay, so you can write the date of today, and then perfect, then we have to write vocabulary. Vocabulary. We have learned 3 words today. Okay, the first word is same, S-A-M-E. The second is switch, S-W-I-T-C-H. And finally, the third word is number sentence, N-U-M-B-E-R-S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E, number sentence. Okay, so I want you to write the meaning of these words in Thai if you have understood. And if you don't, you can look for it in your dictionary, or to ask to your teacher or to me if you want, okay? Now, what about homework? What homework should we do? Homework. So as a homework, I want you to do pages number 61, 63, 64, and 65. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. Okay, we have done some of the exercises together, so you can understand how to do this homework. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. I hope you have learned something together with me, and you have the whole week to do the homework and to watch these videos many times you want. Okay, have a good one. I hope you stay safe, stay at home, you and your family, and that's all for today. Bye bye.